In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block clients on Acuity. We all know that running a business smoothly sometimes means making the tough decision to part ways with certain clients. Whether it's a matter of no-shows, late cancellations, or any other breach of your policies, Acuity scheduling provides a straightforward way to manage your client list effectively, including the option to block individuals from booking future appointments. Let's walk through step by step how you can block someone within your Acuity account. It's simpler than you might think, and doing this can help ensure that your business runs as efficiently as possible, providing space for clients who value your time and services. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Acuity Scheduling's website. Once you're there, you won't be able to miss the login button. It's usually prominently displayed on the site's homepage. This is your gateway to access all the administrative features of Acuity, including managing clients. After clicking login, you're prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email address you used to set up your Acuity account. It's crucial it matches, or you won't be able to access your account. Having typed in your email, the next step is to click next. This is where the path might diverge slightly depending on how you set up your account. If you've linked your Acuity account with Google, you'll see an option Continue with Google. Clicking this is a shortcut that can save you time and the hassle of remembering another password. Upon selecting Continue with Google, you'll see a list of any Google accounts currently signed in on your device. Choose the one linked to your Acuity account. If you've used a single Google account for both personal and business purposes, make sure to pick the one you use for business. Once logged in, you're ready to manage your client list. To begin the process of blocking an individual, navigate to the Clients section. Depending on your layout, this might be directly accessible from your dashboard or found under a different menu. Use the provided links or images as a guide if you're unsure. Upon arriving at your client's list, locate and click on the profile of the client you wish to block. Each client's profile is a comprehensive collection of their appointment history, contact details, and any notes you may have made. It's like their personal file within your business's scheduling system. Inside the client's profile, look for the option labeled Ban. It's a serious step, indicating you're preventing this individual from booking future appointments. Acuity asks for a reason for banning. It's not just a formality. Typing out the reason can help you keep a record of why this decision was made, particularly useful for future reference or if multiple people manage bookings. Once you've entered a reason, you'll see the final button, Ban Client. Clicking this confirms your decision. It's important to note that this action is reversible should you decide to give the client a second chance in the future. But for now, this client will not be able to book new appointments with your business through Acuity. It may be a tough decision to ban a client, but remember, it's all about ensuring your business can operate smoothly and efficiently. Managing your client list actively helps maintain a healthy business environment, one where respect for your time and services is mutual. Throughout this process, keep in mind the importance of clear communication. If you've decided to part ways with a client, it's often helpful to have a conversation or send a message explaining your policy and why this decision was made. It can help prevent misunderstandings and maintain professionalism. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to block clients on Acuity. Remember, maintaining a professional, efficient, and respectful booking environment benefits not just you but all your valued clients. By taking control of your client list in Acuity, you're taking a significant step towards that goal. Thank you for watching, and here's to your business's continued success.